Hi.
Bye. Good morning, world.
Good morning, world. Good morning, all you outdoor wicked adventurers. We are getting bait. Just pulling up to the bait shop. Get some live shrimps, scrimps. We're going after sheepshead today, guys. I want to catch one of those little buckeye buddies. So, Jeremy called in the other day. We're super stoked. We're gonna go hang out like trolls under a bridge for a bit after we get some bait. So, let's go get bait, guys, and then go head under the bridge, cook some breakfast, and see where this adventure takes us. 1,000,000%. This is like the nicest weather we've had the whole time we've been here. Oh shit, Jeremy let the crabs out. You just been leaving them in our bucket?
Why not?
What the hell, Jeremy?
5 left. They're just chilling.
What the hell? They're scary. Oh, I'm so scared of them. Ah! Scrum! Oh, he looks like a little puppy. He looks like a little water puppy. Mean one.
He is. It took me forever to get him to move. He kept trying to.
Seriously? Oh, whoa, what'd you just do? Scary. Scary. Oh, wow. Ah!
Stay up there.
He's so. Oh, no!
I win.
Oh shit. I'm sword fighting with Trevor! Oh no. Meat hunter flex. I'm passing time because I gotta wait till Jeremy gets down there because I can wrestle an alligator gar, but I can't touch a shrimp. Cause I'm too scared. Chicken shit. What? Saltwater's way different ball game. I thought I was like so badass. I'm not that badass. I got a lot to learn. And now we're gonna go fish, but we're having fun with it. Our little Texas coastal cruise. Gosh, I don't know what you guys can see. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm like, let me wrestle any fish any day, but I don't want to touch a shrimp or crab. Scary as hell. Buckeye buckaroos. All right, I'm tired of waiting for him. Maybe I'm gonna put you guys back on my chi-chis and I don't know, maybe try to put on a shrimp. Okay, so here we go. And okay. Ah! Oh shit. Oh, sorry, I was gonna try, but I'm not. Oh no. Shit. I don't know. What did it do? How are you supposed to even touch them? That thing freaked out. I freaked out. Oh no, I don't want that. Okay. Jeremy! I screamed so loud it friggin' echoed. I probably made those guys over there poop their pants. I was scared. That shrimp was scared. This is going south already. Oh shit, we're already south. So I have some work to do in getting my life together.
Alyssa's gonna attempt it again. Hold on, this one might be dead too. We're making her deal with a live one.
I just don't like when they move.
She gotta get a livey. Are you dead too?
Oh no. Watch him get up and like blink off.
Oh, you're alive.
See, I'm good if they don't move. I don't want to get them out of the water.
Got it.
Yay! Okay. we switched spots for a little bit, and we're gonna cook our omelets. So we threw out into like the bigger part of where we're at. Oh shit! I forgot the cheese, but luckily we have cheese and egg. Hopefully it'll be enough. On my little wind block. Yay! Finally! Okay, I think we figured it out. You just have to crack it a little bit. Squeeze. Gently pour. And suck. So I can do this because I forgot to do something to scramble all the Watch out if you come over here, there's a little bit of egg on the ground. So I ended up like eating up all this meat. Like stupid. Should I try to make omelets or should I make just egg scramble?
Oh, I'm something that time.
Hey.
It's up to you, baby. You know what? It might be better since we don't have cheese.
And then I'm going to put the seasoning on it.
And it's loaded with beef.
Okay, perfect. Between you and me. We want to have enough eggs anyway. Jeremy's like, I'm not eating till I catch a fish. Bon appetit!
Looks good.
Egg scramble! Because I messed up with the eggs. But now we all know how to get eggs into a bottle if you ever need to do that, which guess what? I didn't even need to do that because I ended up making egg scramble.
Get out of here, bee.
Get up! Whoa, there's a bee.
Yeah, they got my shrimp. Every time. I got him. It's exactly what I thought it was.
What is it? The little
Fin
things that you
fish.
caught? So you caught kind of a big one the other day.
This is our bait thieves. These little,
Aww.
they're strong.
That's like what hard work and dedication.
Pinfish.
I'm like, that is what freaking dedication is. 'Cause you like
Strong.
not
The other day we didn't know what these were. They're pinfish.
fish. Bye, just like that.
Sometimes the simplest things are washing your hands out here. That's amazing. Salty water and crab and shrimp. They're all washed off. Well, not a whole lot of luck here. I did put my determination down and figured out those are pinfish, but we're gonna head on over to San Antonio and continue this, so let's go. Alyssa prepared our meal in the crock pot. We'll have it cooking, all hooked up to the Redodo, of course, while we're driving.
We're going to one of my favorite lakes in Texas. Calaveras, here we come. Let's load up. Hey, we got 4-hour travel to Calaveras. Let's hit the road.
All right, we got to Calaveras Lake just in time before the sun goes down. You can see it out there. It's about to hit the horizon. But we're gonna get rigged up. We're gonna use our 2 10-footers and our 2 6-footers. So if I need to get some more distance, I'll go get the 8-foot casting ones and try them. But for now, we're thinking they're gonna be shallow anyway. But we're going after redfish from the shore at Calaveras. This is our first time doing this on our own.
Oh, we've never done this on our own.
Nope. So we got the live shrimp that we brought from the ocean because we still had them and they're still alive. So it's as fresh as you could get, and then we'll have fish bites on as well. So let's get to it, see if we can catch some fish. You contemplating your life right now?
Oh gosh, like the like it's like, just do it, Alyssa. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're gonna grab a shrimp. Oh, I didn't get him.
You missed. Did you get him?
No. Like they're so fast. Oh, good. Okay, he's on the ground. We're good.
He's on the ground.
I could do it from this way. I could do it from this way. This way. Oh my gosh, why is he doing that? Oh, look at you. How come the other ones didn't do that?
He's like, save me.
Got it. Oh.
It's not on the hook yet. And hooked up.
Oh, that was rough. That was hard. I never casted a rod this big. Are you ready? All right, we're doing it. Ooh, that's up there. Oh, shit. I just want to run like I do in bowling. Go win it.
Good luck. Don't hit yourself with a weight. Your shrimp's back here.
Wait, what? What the hell? That was a pretty good cast, too.
Was it? I didn't see where it landed. I just saw the shrimp.
Okay, well, that one has fish bites on it. And the shrimp's gonna go on the other one. What the hell?
That's why she puts fish bites on with it. So when they steal the shrimp,
That was a
or
good
you cast
cast.
it off. Alright, let me go get mine out. Alright, y'all. Putting fish bites up against live shrimp. Live shrimp on top, fish bites on bottom.
We get a red, baby?
Guess what it's on?
Fish bites. Yeah.
Not even on the...
Hey! Look at him. I'm sorry I stole your fish. I needed it.
No, you're fine. But look, guys. Boom. Tell me fish bites don't work. That's next to a live shrimp.
Boom, baby. Oh. Like, yes. I just stole his fish.
It's perfect.
Look at, oh, it's almost a heart.
He's above 20.
You think so?
But we're not keeping him right now anyway.
Crotch fish.
If we get a really big one, we'll measure, but
Crotch
he's above
fish.
20. Yeah, he's probably 22, 23.
Bye.
Bye. Good job. Now I can put the reel back on my side. You caught a fish.
I was like, why is this so easy? Oh yeah, because the reel's on my side. The good side. Don't. Got it. Well, we had a little hiccup. But Jeremy got it. I don't really know what you had to do. You had to like push all of this up.
Oh, that looks good.
Potatoes and the green beans. All that good stuff we got burnt yesterday.
That's pretty good though.
Chicken's really good. Alright, we're gonna finish dinner.
Alright, y'all. We're closing this one all out, going to bed. Can't stay up too late. We gotta be up early in the morning for another adventure. So Alyssa's already in bed. But if you like these videos, hit that subscribe button and stay wicked, y'all. Till the next one.